We're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've installed a Halo Plus on this 2018 Velar. So with the Halo Plus, a thief tries to steal it, goes to select a gear, vehicle's going to switch off, just turn that down, vehicle's cut out, silent immobilisation, the customer's phone's also going to ring them and let them know. So if they're not around, there we go, system's ringing us, letting us know the vehicle's under attack. So we'll just cancel that. If the thief's silly enough to then try again, we're going to get a loud immobilisation, horn's going to go mad, vehicle's going to cut out, and you're also going to get a phone call. So we'll start it up, select a gear, it's going to go mad. The only way to silence it is with a code. As you can hear, horns going off, code, double bleep, silences the system, confirms it is you. Customer's phone's ringing yet again to let them know the vehicle's under attack. For the customer to drive this, they can either go through Bluetooth on their phone, just turn it on, simple as that, hop in, start the vehicle up. Hear a double bleep, that confirms it's disarmed. We can select our gear, drive off. Vehicle doesn't stall, customer doesn't get a phone call, obviously because they don't want to. For instances where your phone has gone flat and you're out, or you don't like the idea of a phone, you just want to keep it to buttons, you can set a PIN code. So we'll start it up, no melody, select our, not select our gear, we'll put a code in that we've set, double bleep, now we can drive it. Car doesn't cut out, customer doesn't get a phone call. If you want to get one of these installed, this is the Halo Plus. We've installed in the 2018 Velar. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.